Hi guys, welcome back to my channel TechR, and I am here to tell you about if else if ladder statement. Okay, this is a control statement, or we can say decision making control statement, and I have told you about two decision making statements in the previous videos. First one if statement and second one if else, and in this video I am going to tell you about if else if ladder statement. Okay, so here I am opening a new file and we have to make a class, then we will name it if else if. Okay, if else, this is a class name, and we have to include, as always, we have to include a public static void main or main method, then finish. And here we have provided this boilerplate. After this, I have first thing which I want to tell you about if else if ladder statement is that its syntax. Okay, actually I have copied this from the Java T point. I have just made it copy paste. Okay, and here I am just commenting it. Basically I don't have told you about comments. Okay, so basically comments are those between which we write those code which we do not want to execute. This comment will not be executed or will not be considered add up as a part of the program. Okay, so here this is the syntax of if else if ladder statement. Okay, here what happened in this, so here we have if clause, okay, in which a condition is written. Okay, if this condition is satisfied or if this condition is true, then we will execute its statement or its block. So this is our if block, and after that we check another condition by using else if case. Okay, else if, we write else if, then another condition in this clause, and if the condition is satisfied, then its block will be executed. Okay, suppose if we have provided a lot of else if statements, which is called our else if ladder. Okay, if all of them will not satisfy the condition, then else block will be executed, and this is a compulsion that this will be executed. We can't say that it may be executed, may not be executed. No, this can't happen. If all the else if statements condition, or if all the else if conditions are not satisfied, then else block will be executed necessarily. Okay, so here come back to the program which I want to give you. And this is our package, and this is our class, this is our main method. In this I am writing, suppose we have taken a variable a and its value we have assumed 3. Okay, then I am writing if statement as I have given in my syntax. So if a greater than 3, then write greater than 3. Okay, because this is greater than 3. After that, एक second, we will write else clause. ठीक है, in the else clause I will write none condition satisfied. This is is our if clause, this is our else clause, and between this I will provide else if clause. And here we will write less than 3. Or here we can write condition satisfied. Okay, so this is our program, and here it will have no error. So I will run this by using run as Java application. Oh, what is this? Oh, sorry, I have not saved it. This is the most important thing which students like me forget about this. Firstly, you have to save all the programs which you are running or you want to execute. Firstly, you have to save it by control plus S keys. Okay, here I have saved it. Now run as Java application. Yeah, here is the output. None condition satisfied. So here we can see that a is equals to 3. So if this condition is not satisfied and this else if statement is not satisfied, so here in this case it will execute the else block. Okay, suppose if I write it as 4, so 4 is greater than 3, so here it should print this statement. Now check it by saving it. We will check this. Run as Java application. Here greater than 3. Okay, suppose one more thing I have to tell you is that we can provide any number of else if statements. It is not compulsory that we have to provide we can provide only one else if statement. We can provide actually a lot of else if statements or by different conditions. Suppose here I will write else if a equals to 3 equal. Okay, then we will write its block, and here I am writing equals to 3. Okay, so here if we write if we initialize a with 3, then here this statement should be printed. Okay, so now check this. Firstly saving it and then run as, then Java application. So here equals to 3. So this is all about if else if letter statement in the control statements. Okay, so this is all about if else if statement. Okay, so if you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you.